Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a different types of emoji. You can see a bigger circle I have already drawn here. So you can use different types of instruments. For this drawing I have used these instruments, and many other instruments are available to draw the circle. Use any one of them to draw it. Then you can go for the expressive elements which are used to show the expressions. Here I am going to draw the few lines, and then I am going to fill up in between those lines the spaces, so that I want to show the the bold lines which are used to show the expressions. As I am not using any types of bold pencils or pens or any other instruments, that's why I'm just using a simple techniques, which is just drawing two lines and fill up the middle places of all those lines. As you can see, this guy is in love, so you can put the love sign in some places. In this drawing I have used three places and three signs to draw the drawing, and which is on the three corners of this drawing. Let's use the dark pencil to fill up the middle places of all the drawings. So I am just starting with the eyebrow on the right side of his face. Next I'm going to fill up the left side eyebrow of the face. As you can see, that guy is facing towards us, and the next dark line you can see I'm filling up the eyes, and this is thicker than the previous one. Also the left side I'm drawing right now, this is also thicker than the previous one. Alright, so for the lips you can use again the dark color, and these have the different shades, different shape. It looks like the mirror or the opposite or something like upside down. And the whole circle, this is going to be yellow color. Let's put the yellow starting from the periphery. You can call it the border outline. So it's a totally round circle. We're going to fill up the whole surface as nice as possible and make it a fine-tuned one. Okay. So the whole circle, this is almost done. And for the use of love sign, the color combinations is going to be the red, because this is the always symbol and the color to show the expressions of love. This is a warm and nice color. So this is the first part. Now I'm going to fill up the top part of the face. Okay. And finally, in the last part, you can see the last sign on the left side of his face, and the color combinations we're providing here. We're just trying to make it as uniform as possible for the whole drawing. You can see the drawing is complete. Thanks for watching. You can follow the playlist and select your own categories to learn. Please subscribe the channel as you like it, and put the bell icon on to have all the new updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.